Well, I want to create content, and I was thinking of creating content for children through stories. And this was something that was really new to me. I've never come across anything like this before. So, whatever I learned and experienced as part of this workshop has really made me think about how I could make the content that I create more engaging and exciting for the audience. As part of the workshop, we had to try a lot of new things. And because of the way it's paced, or because of the fact that we are doing it in a group, and because it's happening on an online forum, all of that, adds to the jitters and the nerves. But it really took me out of my comfort zone, and it really made me think about how much these things make a difference to this art of storytelling. So Priyanka has put a lot of thought into designing the different modules that are part of this program. So she's had amazing collaborators who are, really subject matter experts who came in and mentored us in the modules that they delivered. And as a person, Priyanka is super approachable, and she is ridiculously creative. When you have somebody like that mentoring you and watching you perform and giving you feedback that's forthright and honest, it really helps you evaluate your own strengths and work on the things that may not be strengths themselves, but still could add a lot of value to your storytelling way. And she's done a brilliant job of it. It's just been about 7 or 8 days, but it feels like we've done this course for a lot longer than that, because just the amazing content that we have been taken through, and the fact that she's paced it so well and facilitated it beautifully, even though it's happening on an online forum. Kudos to her.